Hello, hello, this is Angela back with the Junk Journal Tag a Day, jjtagaday. Hashtag jjtagaday, and today is the postal theme. And my postal theme, I'm sorry I forgot to turn the camera on, but I'm going to turn it on for the very end. But what mine has to do with is a love letter sent during the war. And it has made it all around the world. It's been stamped and canceled and sent back, and stamped and canceled and sent back. The letter has been opened and read by many, and it's a love letter. So they're really trying hard to get this letter off to this handsome soldier over here, somewhere in the world. And for the last part of this, I wanted to add some little words to it, some more little words. So you could see the letter is all nice and written in the background in script. But by the time he gets this, there's not much he's going to be able to read. He's going to have some of this, keeping you in my heart, and always my love, hugs and kisses forever. Some of the words have been tore apart. Some of them just aren't there anymore. So you could see it's a love letter that didn't quite make it to where it needed to go, but it had been read by so many people that they all just kind of fell in love with it. And wanted to get it back to the soldier that it belonged to. So now we need to tie on the love always and this piece up here. So this might be too wide, I don't know. I do not know. I think maybe we'll run it through as a single. Yeah, probably better do it that way. Usually I like to do a double, and I think maybe we'll try and knot this one at the top with the bow. See what happens. So that is my tag for the day. Sorry I didn't get it recorded. Pretty hard for me to record today. I'm having a lot of issues with my shoulder, unfortunately. Driving me crazy. Don't like having problems. Just make it go away. So there we go. It's a beautiful little letter. Love always. Keeping you in my heart. Always my love. Hugs and kisses. Here's a hug down here that got broke apart. And a kiss up here that got broken, and love always in the back. But you could see it's all been stamped with all the different countries, and they're really trying hard to get this off to this handsome soldier. So, did the letter ever get to him? Well, we don't know, do we? This is where you write your own story at the end. Did it get there or did it not? In my love story, it got there. Maybe 35 years too late. Or 35 years later and they're still married. Anyway, it's a lovely love story. And so the rest of the love story is up to you. Love you guys, and I'll be back tomorrow. Hand stitching tomorrow. Bye.